Hello children, good morning to you all. We have completed the difficult words, half the lesson yesterday, the wind song, okay? The lesson we did was the wind song. So, we did just one page or two pages, 1.5 page lesson yesterday. Here, main character was Rachel. Understand? Rachel, her bird, parents, brother and sister. Understand? She stitched a quilt with her hand. Understand? She beautifully bordered it. When she was doing this work, just as she finished the work, her father entered the house. So excitedly, she showed this quilt to her father. And her father appreciated her work. He liked her work. And he told, next week they are going to the market, nearby town market, where she could exhibit it and show off this quilt blanket so that she could sell it. As per their schedule, Saturday they had been to the town market, which was 20 miles away from their place. There, when the parents were talking to the storekeeper, her brother and sister explored the store. Means they went all around the store and saw what all the items are available there. By then, this girl went along the doorway where there was a beautiful yellow color bird in the cage. It was very active, moving from one side to another side, and she was lovingly looking at that bird. Then there was another man also there, and he said that this bird listens to the sound of the wind and sings. Okay, so then what did she do? Her parents also came out of the shop after completing what work they had, selling their onion sack. So they appeared in a moment afterwards, later. At the same time, the little bird lifted its head and swelled its chest and started singing a trill. Trill means a musical note. Rachel saw her mother's face light up with delight. So, seeing the bird singing so delightfully, her mother felt very happy. So, what Rachel thought? Her mother liked the song of the bird. So, when you grow older, when you start doing the jobs, you also like to do something for your parents, right? You wanted to give some gift to your parents. Even now also, whatever pocket money you have, what you do? You will try to give it to your parents, mother. Yes or no? Do some, get a gift for her, very small gift also. Understand? Same way, this girl felt that her mother liked the song of the bird. So why don't I buy? So what did she do? Quietly, slowly, she went silently. She exchanged her quilt for the bird. It means she sold the bird to the man who was the owner of the bird and bought the bird for her mother. Understand? Back when they came back home, the little bird entertained the family endlessly. The bird was entertaining them. Endlessly means thoroughly, continuously. What it was doing, it was just singing. People were enjoying at home. They called him the Sir Gallant. Gallant is the person who is very swift, strong. So they named it Sir Gallant because he battled with the wind, because he could fight with the wind to sing. The louder the wind, the more loudly he sang. The competition was so fierce that sometimes everyone burst out laughing. So, if the wind blew so speedily, strongly, he used to sing so loudly. So, in this way, there was a very strong competition between the wind and the bird. Understand? So, when it used to sing so loudly, all the family members used to laugh. So, Sir Gallant lifted their spirits, turning dusty days into sunshine days. Lifted their spirits means what did the bird do? Sir Gallant do? He lifted their spirits means he made them happy and turned their dusty days into sunshine days. Means dull moments, he made them happy moments. Understand? By its singing, Sir Gallant, what did he do? He made them happy by changing their dull days into bright and happy days. Okay, Rachel often thought about what the man in the store had said. He said, heard the wind. She had heard the wind, but unlike the canary, she had never listened to it herself. So, the man in the store, the owner of the bird, said, the canary means bird could hear the wind and sing. But she tried. As the bird hears, she was unable to hear. Who? Rachel tried to hear the sound of the wind herself. But she could not. Only bird could hear. Understand? Now, when she tried hard, she could hear music in the wind. The music was faint and hidden in the background, and she needed her imagination, but it was there if she truly listened. So she tried hard to listen it, but she was not able to listen it very loudly. She could hear it faint. What could she find in the wind? Some kind of music was hidden in the sound of the wind. Understand? And she imagined that she could also sing like a bird, but it was not possible because the sound of the wind was very faint. Faint means slow, soft. But it was there if she truly listened. She began humming the sounds she heard. So when she concentratedly heard the sound of the wind, she started humming. Humming means singing inside. Like that, without opening the mouth. You go on making the sound. It is called humming. That's pretty tune, her mother commented one day. What song is that? Rachel didn't reply, unsure how to explain, and her mother did not press the question. Soon she too began humming. So, when mother heard her hum, she asked, "What is the song? What are you singing?" But Rachel was unable to explain it to her mother because she did not know properly what the song is. Just what note she heard through the wind, she was just repeating it, humming. So she was unable to explain it to her mother. So her mother also did not press the question. Means she did not repeat her question again and again and troubled Rachel. She just kept quiet. And she also started humming along with her daughter. One afternoon, Rachel noticed the canary sitting motionless on his perch. Is Sir Galen sick? She asked in alarm. One day, what Rachel found, this bird was very active, never sat in one place on its perch. But one day, the bird was motionless, means not moving at all. Motionless means not moving at all. It was sitting still on the perch. Rachel thought, is Sir Gallant sick? Is the bird sick? It is sitting so dull. She asked in alarm, and carefully, being careful. She wanted to be careful about the bird. She wanted that the bird should not be sick. So she thought herself, no, it's just a dark day outside. Her mother has reassured her. It will be raining soon, and he probably doesn't feel like singing. No, it is nothing of that kind. It is dark outside. He could not hear the sound of the wind. So he may not like, it may rain within some time, but he may not like that raining, and so that he must be quiet. Who said like that? Mother convinced Rachel. When Rachel said, is the bird sick? She was very much worried about the bird. But mom says, no, not like that. Because the outside it is dark and cloudy. It will rain within few minutes. Maybe the bird may not like the sound of the rain, or it may not like raining. That's why it is quiet, said mother. But Rachel knew that something was wrong. While Sir Gallen stopped singing from time to time, he had always hopped about his cage. She went to the door and looked outside. It was very quiet. No wind, no sounds of birds or prairie dogs. She saw black thunder clouds stacked high into the sky. There was a heaviness to the air and prickly feeling. So, but Rachel knew there something is wrong with the bird. Why it is not singing? When the bird at normal time, when the bird does not sing, it never used to sit in one place. From one place to other place, it used to move on its perch. Understand? So, it is not a good symbol or sign, she thought. She went to the door. Outside she peeped. What could she see outside? It was very quiet, very silent outside. And no sound of birds, no sound of prairie dogs. In prairie is the reason in America. We will come to know about it in social studies later. There a dog, type of dog called prairie dog. It was also not barking, no birds are chirping. Then what's wrong? She thought. And thunder clouds stacked in the sky means there were so many clouds could be seen in the sky, high in the sky. There was heaviness to the air because of these clouds. The man's words echoed in Rachel's mind. It listens to the wind. Man's words echoed. Echoing means resounding. Again, same thing will be repeatedly, you listen. It is called echo. Echoed in her ears, resounded in her ears. What he said, it could hear, it listens to the wind. Now, no wind is there, that's why it is silent, she thought. Rachel thought about Sir Gallant's odd behavior and the angry thunder clouds and how stranger it felt When she listened carefully, she caught a faint rumble of thunder. So now she understood why the bird is quiet. No wind is there, so he is unhappy. So she could quietly, when she observed, she heard rumble of the thunder. Rumble means sound of thunder. Suddenly Rachel knew they were in danger. Mother, she shouted, it's a tornado. Tornado is very, very, very strong wind blows in America, children. With rain and all, it lifts, uplifts everything. People will be in danger. So Rachel sensed this. She shouted, Mother, it's a tornado. Then immediately, very quickly, she went. The family ran to the cellar at the side of the house. They went in the cellar, underground place. They went there. Rachel ran to the fields to warn her father, shouting and waving her hands. What's wrong? He yelled. Tornado, she shouted. She went running and waving her hands so that her father could see her. What's wrong? He asked. It's tornado, she said. I don't see anything, but I can bring in the animals. I will come back to the house with them. No, okay, no problem. I will come with the animals, cattle. I will bring them home. No, there is no time. No, please don't be late, said Rachel. As they ran to the cellar, rain drenched their bodies and thunderous roaring pounded the air. So, when Rachel hurried her father, he ran towards the house. By the time they reached the cellar, they were drenched, means completely wet with rain. Understand? Thunderous roaring wind sound of the clouds pounded the air, hit the air. The tornado lasted only minutes, although it felt like hours. When the family finally emerged from their shelter, they were relieved to find their cabin intact. The animals had escaped the tornado, but their fields were destroyed. The loss of crops would make things more difficult, but they felt happy to be alive. They were safe because of the little yellow bird. So the tornado continued for a few minutes, but it was so horrible and dangerous. Understand? So it seemed that they were facing it for so many hours. When the family emerged, means came out from the cellar, they could feel relieved, relaxed, and they found their house intact, safe, without any harm or damage. The animals also were safe; they also escaped tornado. But one thing wrong happened was their fields were destroyed, crops were destroyed, damaged. There was a loss of crops, which would make their life difficult for so many months. But one happy thing is they were alive. So in this way, the cute tiny yellow bird intimated them, gave the alarm of the tornado, so that they all were safe, their lives were safe. In this way, the song of the wind made the bird happy, but when it did not hear the sound of the wind, it sensed the danger, so it alarmed the people, and in this way, family of Rachel was safe. This is the lesson about the wind song. Tomorrow I am going to give you difficult words first, then if time permits, meanings also. So thank you children. We will read the lesson also tomorrow. So here we stop. Thank you.